In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Sabrina Carpenter profile frame on TikTok. So if you just go to the App Store right here, and you scroll down a bit, you see this event happening right now. And basically what you need to do, it says it right here. You need to share this. You need to share this, okay? And then you need to add the single tiers to your music app. So if you have Spotify, search up tiers. And add it to your playlist. Or if you're on Apple Music, do the same thing. Basically, once you and then just share this, and then go to TikTok.
So this is
Boom, you're gonna have to press join. That's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.